Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of The Agent's Edge. My name is Ryan Palomini. Today we're going to talk about the importance of tax planning, specifically through these next 2 years. If you're watching this, it's 2024. We have an incredible 2-year window in the tax world before the potential of a sunset period. Let me explain what that means. In the 2017 tax recreations of all the stuff that happened, right, when they redid all the tax laws and redid all the tax, that Trump did, what that did was actually brought this thing that was built into the tax law called the sunset period. And the sunset period says that if nothing changes, January 1st of 2026, we immediately revert back to the 2016 tax tables. Now, if you're not familiar with the world of taxes, what the heck does that mean? That means that the tax brackets that we are in, right, right now we have the 10, 12, 22, 24, 32, 35, 37, right? Those change drastically. Every single one of those is either going to go up 3 to 5%. So if you're in a 12% tax bracket, that means immediately overnight you go to a 15% tax bracket. Or that could mean that you are on the border of a 15 and 25% tax bracket depending on where you fall. This is incredibly vital for you to be talking about with your clients because this is the time to be focused on high-level tax strategies that we implement in our firm. I got to tell you, one of the biggest space creators and differentiators in our firm is the fact that we talk very, very high level when it comes to tax planning. And if you're going to get this thing to the next level, if you're trying to take your business to the next level, you've got to have an understanding of taxes. And it starts right here with having these type of conversations because so many people are going to get caught if we revert back to the 2016 tax tables. I'm watching and I don't see Congress making any changes. We're in an environment where we need more tax dollars than ever. So it would be beneficial for the tax brackets to go back up so that the government can charge more in taxes and everybody pays more taxes. So I don't really see things changing. Now, I could be wrong, but as of right now, we've got to pay a lot of attention to that sunset period because this is an incredibly important time for your clients to do things like Roth conversions. Why is it important? Because where we are right now, we have more space between each tax bracket than we've ever had. So, you could start at $95,000, but the next tax bracket may be $200,000 before. And again, don't quote me on that. I'm just giving an example. But that's the difference. And you've got a lot of space. So if you've got a client on the very low end of a 22% tax bracket, maybe they have up to, almost $200,000. That's a lot of room to do Roth conversions. Whereas if we go back to the 2016 tax tables, that may not exist. You may be teetered on the edge of bigger brackets. So those type of high-level conversations need to be had now. And I want you to pay attention to what that does for your tax firm. I want you to pay attention to what that does for your firm. Because if you're out there doing seminars right now, I got to tell you, if you're doing Social Security seminars, that's great. But I'm doing tax seminars, and we are filling rooms. I mean, I had a workshop that I just did that was almost standing room only because so many people are concerned about the tax cuts and what's to come if we revert back to the 2016 tax tables. If you're not doing seminars, live in-person seminars, by the way, they're back. We are doing a ton of them at our firm. And we are filling rooms, like standing room only type of door-to-door, especially around tax planning. So again, if you want to differentiate yourself, you can go and you can see all these financial advisors and all these agents that are doing seminars on Social Security and retirement planning. It's all great. But I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to fill a room and you're going to get a lot more eyeballs on you if you're doing tax seminars or webinars because people are concerned. Let me ask you this question. Do you think that taxes are going to be lower in 10 years than they are today? It's a stupid question, right? Because the answer is obviously no. So what does that do? That gives you the ability to get educated, help your clients, create space between you and the competition, and take your business to that next level. So pay attention to what's going on. Implement tax planning into your firm. Start having Roth conversion conversations with your clients, and make it happen today. Get your firm to the next level. Start thinking about your agency differently. Go out there, acquire high net worth individuals, make money for your family, take your business to the next level. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet, hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more content coming, so make sure you stay and you watch every video that we've done. There's so much content on this stuff to get your business to the next level. Thanks again so much for watching. We'll see you on the next episode.